Everyone keeps talking about waking up at 5 a.m. They say it's the secret to success, to more discipline, to living a better life. But is it just hype? Or does waking up at 5 a.m. actually work? Let's break it down. The 5 a.m. rule was popularized by Robin Sharma, author of The 5 a.m. Club. He claims the early morning hours are when you can get ahead of the world. No distractions, no noise. Just you, your thoughts, and your goals. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the thing. Waking up early isn't magic by itself. It's what you do with that time that matters. Studies show our brains are more alert and focused in the early hours, especially before the chaos of the day begins. Waking up at 5 a.m. gives you a head start on exercise, reading, reflection, or planning. It creates momentum, and momentum creates confidence. You're not just awake early, you're winning early, and that changes how the rest of the day feels. But here's what people don't tell you. Waking up at 5 a.m. while still sleeping at midnight. That's not productivity, that's burnout. It's not about the hour on the clock, it's about structure. Going to bed early, protecting your energy, and making sure those early hours actually serve a purpose, not just scrolling your phone in the dark. If you're struggling with time, focus, or motivation, trying the 5 a.m. rule for 7 days might change how you see yourself. You'll feel more in control, you'll think clearer, and even if you don't stick to 5 a.m. forever, you'll learn the power of intentional mornings. So, does the 5 a.m. rule work? Yeah, but only if you use it intentionally. It's not about the time. It's about what that time means to you. The real question isn't can you wake up at 5 a.m. It's what are you willing to do to take back your mornings?